Do you have some pants you can wear instead of these?
No, I don't.
Whatever the hell out there.
Bruno is never allowed to comment on the way I dress.
What? Look at you, dude.
I mean, he's wearing jeans. I mean,
Sweatpants.
that's kind of like.
Dude, I got my boat shoes.
This is the first
bro.
time he's wearing shoes in like a month.
We just got here with Ocean Connectors. Okay, habitat restoration is what I'm talking about.
Everybody's shirts here. Everyone.
We're here to educate the kids.
We have some members of a wonderful group called Sand Cloud here today.
You guys happy to be here?
Yeah. Okay, who wants some shirts?
Yeah. Our job is to make sure that our company stands for something bigger than ourselves. So that's why we like to partner with nonprofits like the Ocean Connectors.
Now we have Sand Cloud.
Woodpeckers. Wow, I love it. Woodpeckers over here, woodpeckers over here. Go. We're winning right now. Help from the older guys. Right here?
Good job, yeah. Over here, team 3. Right here.
Our team's in the lead, the kids are doing great, they're putting all the mulch down, and most importantly, they're learning about marine life. We're winning! Yes!
We have a great team, Team Woodpeckers.
Woodpeckers.
We all came out to get it done. It's a balance of wanting to make it through the day or have a heart attack at noon.
Who did the majority of the work?
Kira,
Yeah.
and yeah, we're turning it.
Team MVP.
Kira.
I don't want to be rude, but I think I actually did the most for the team. Just my strength.
Last year, we did Ocean Connectors. We saw whales.
Dolphins, I think we see
Dolphins.
You guys like coming out here?
Yeah, it's fun to get out once in a while.
And it's so cool watching these kids right behind me just learning and doing and like out in the real world. Ocean Connectors has set up 3 different stations. So station number 1, we're checking out different things under the microscope, and you can see like barnacles and different marine objects under the microscope and how they look. Station number 2 is where we get binoculars and we look for seabirds. We have a bunch of kids over here looking at seabirds right now. So yeah, we're just learning more about marine life and how seabirds impact marine life. It's like being back in school, baby.
It is.
Yeah, we love it.
We're
We're on a field trip, yeah.
We're looking for an osprey.
Yes, we are. We just found this really cool sign that was made by Bayside Elementary. It's really cool seeing the kids like get involved with the program and then actually creating art out of it. Station number 3 is where they're doing habitat restoration and planting native plants back into the soil and also getting rid of some plants that are taking over.
Are you excited about planting some native plants?
Yeah, because I'm a really big, adventurous and environmental guy.
Stop polluting! Stop polluting! Stop polluting!
So our slogan for our company, it's written on the back of your shirts, it's Save the Fishies. Save the
Fishies!
Save the
Fishies!